today on 15 on 15.
Rain, rain, and more rain will tell you when the sun will shine again. Plus, celebrating all kinds of love in a way people truly understand. And a videographer on the island utilizes his skills to remind people to keep Aruba clean. Thank you for joining us. I'm Yentl Lieuw. You are watching 15 on 15. It's been a wet few days. ATV contacted the meteorology department to gain insight on the weather for the upcoming week. Be sure to take your umbrella out with you all this week. In other local news, it is a fact that we celebrate many days from December 25th to March 18th, Aruba's Flag and Anthem Day, as well as our individual birthdays. But on March 12th, the Department of Health says we should raise our glass of water and cheers.
The Department of Public Health is always a player in the sense of make conscious about the day that you have to drink a glass of water on the first place to celebrate the health of your kidney. So for that day, please take a glass of water, give another person a glass of water, and toast and celebrate the health of your kidney. There are always tips to follow for your health, your kidney health. And the first place is be active, be fit and active 30 minutes a day. Drink, of course, 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. Check your sugar in your blood, check your blood pressure. Be sure that you do not drink medicine without prescription. Be sure to check your kidney at least once a year, and especially if you have problems in the family, if you have diabetes, or if you have high blood pressure, or if you are overweight. Check your weight, so that is also a tip. That is not too much, and be sure that you eat a balanced diet, and eat healthy in general. Be sure that you treat your kidneys good. It's for lifetime.
Further developments are set for Orangstad. The Ministry of Tourism has plans to enhance the Fiesta de Encaya, which in translation means street parties. And don't go anywhere, because when we come back, we'll show you a video with a message to fight against prejudice, and this video went viral. Also, coffee and smartphones are two things necessary in a modern person's daily life. So a company has put 2 and 2 together. Stay with us. You can brew fresh coffee with your smartphone. Details on this new concept next. Welcome back from the break. Thanks for staying tuned to 15 on 15. On Valentine's Day, we celebrate love. An advert that shows x-rays of skeletons in a bid to challenge against all prejudice goes viral. Take a look to see why. An ad council, together with other organizations, set up a giant x-ray screen in Santa Monica, California. They invited the public to watch a variety of different skeletons, embracing or dancing with each other. Now, when they come out from behind the screen, people smiled.
And I can't change, even if I tried, even if I wanted to. And I can't change, even if I tried, even if I wanted to. My love, my love, my love, she keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm. She keeps me warm.
The campaign was all in an effort to quell the snap judgments people make based on what we see, whether it's race, age, gender, religion, sexuality, or disability. What a great thing. Moving on, coffee consumption and smartphone use are two staples of modern life. I think we can all agree on that. Well, one company may have figured something out to combine the two together. There is now a smartphone-controlled coffee maker. Coffee consumption and smartphone use are two staples of modern life nowadays. One company has developed a product to bring the two together. The top brewer is a fitted coffee tap, which is controlled through an app on a smartphone, allowing users to select the kind of coffee or hot drink they want. It looks pretty good. So the top brewer seems pretty cool, but with units retailing from in the region of close to $10,000 each, it is a luxury product out of reach for most people. Let's take a break. This is what's coming up next for you. Take a look at trash on the island from a different angle. That's coming up. Keeping Aruba clean is the responsibility of everyone on this island, whether you are a tourist or a local. A videographer is setting out to utilize his skills with a camera to further bring awareness on the issue to the community.
I started this Facebook page, and what I'm doing currently is every once in a while I show some pictures of the beautiful side, but also the trash. There are some pictures of broken glass on beaches where our kids play, where we walk ourselves barefoot mostly. So that's not a good situation. But things like that I try to point out and try to get some more attention to. Because I think that awareness is the only way that we're going to tackle this. Well, actually, you don't really have to do something rigorous about it. You don't have to devote a lot of time or a lot of money. It's simple things like the empty bottle, just don't throw it on the beach, just take it with you, take it home. The cans the bins that are on the beach, a lot of times they're full and they're also open so the wind can pick up bags and stuff like that. So if you can just take what you brought to the beach, take it back home and dispose of it there, that would be great. Well, I think that due to the fact that Aruba's main source of income is tourism, and I never heard of a tourist going to a place because it's nice and dirty. I think that the implications can be very, very large. But I also think that we can. We're not on a road towards the cliff. There's a lot of time we have to avert it, and we can do a lot to make sure that Aruba is a lot more appealing to tourists as it is already, but at least remains as appealing as it is, because Aruba is more than just a beach, and people are moving from the high-rise hotel areas towards St. Nicholas, for example, and everywhere where they drive, if everything looks nice and tidy, I think they're going to be very happy, and they're going to spend a lot more money, which pays our salaries, of course.
The videographer has started a call to action. You can follow the progress on the Dushi Terra Facebook page. Terra is spelled with 2 R's. This coming Saturday, a beach cleanup is being organized by Dushi Terra. He is asking for everyone's input via Facebook on the locations of the cleanup. The cleanup will start at 9 a.m. and the goal is to tackle as many areas as possible. Once again, that is for this Saturday.